Welcome back to Disneyland Paris. Today we're checking out the latest construction updates happening across the resort, with big changes taking shape behind the scenes. If you enjoy these updates, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Disneyland Paris news and progress updates. Let's take a look. From high above, new aerial views emerge through the mist, captured from our airplane, revealing the vast transformation of Walt Disney Studios Park as it evolves into Disney Adventure World. Below, construction continues steadily on the future Lion King-themed land. Clearly visible foundations now stretch across the site, offering a powerful sense of the land's true scale and footprint. Even at this early stage, the ambition behind the project is unmistakable. Closer to the park's existing areas, scaffolding has appeared along the facade of the Regal View Restaurant and Lounge. This likely signals the start of finishing works, including surface repairs, repainting, and the final decorative touches that will soon bring this location to life. Elsewhere in the expansion zone, progress is also evident on the future Up-themed attraction. A circular concrete base has now emerged, marking the foundation for the upcoming swing chair flat ride and giving a first real glimpse of what guests will soon experience. While parts of the expansion may still appear sparse, with limited vegetation for now, this is expected. Additional landscaping will most likely be added once winter conditions have passed, completing the immersive environments planned for this bold new chapter. Through the mist and from above, Disney Adventure World is steadily taking shape, one foundation at a time. Several ongoing works can be clearly identified in these new aerial images, offering a behind-the-scenes look at maintenance efforts across the park. On Central Plaza, the renovation of the show control booth is underway. This essential technical space is receiving updates that will support the smooth operation of nearby entertainment and experiences. Elsewhere, a major roof refurbishment is taking place above the Snow White and Pinocchio attractions. The work is easy to spot from above thanks to the large protective tarps currently covering the rooftops. These temporary installations signal careful restoration work in progress, ensuring the long-term preservation and reliability of these classic attractions. From the sky, these subtle but important projects highlight the continuous care and upkeep happening throughout the park. Under a soft blanket of winter mist, the latest aerial views drift above Disneyland Park, revealing a rugged world shaped by time and imagination. Winding waterways cut through dense vegetation, while rocky landscapes emerge quietly from the fog, giving the park an almost untamed, cinematic atmosphere. These serene scenes also hint at what lies ahead. In 2026, Rivers of the Far West will welcome new additions inspired by original drawings from Imagineer and Disney legend Mark Davis. By the end of summer, carefully crafted scenes will enrich the journey, adding fresh layers of storytelling to this classic frontier experience. Newly designed figures are taking shape at Walt Disney Imagineering Paris. A powerful buffalo will stand watch over the prairie, while raccoons and a skunk bring playful life to the riverbanks, one even drifting calmly on a floating log. These details will come alive during cruises aboard the Molly Brown, itself recently fully renovated, ready to guide guests through an even more immersive voyage. In the distance, beyond the mist and treetops, Walt Disney Studios Park can be seen as it moves closer to its transformation. The familiar Studio 5 lettering on the Crush's coaster building still stands, quietly raising a question. As a major refurbishment approaches in 2026, will this final reminder of the park's past soon disappear? From tranquil winter landscapes to bold changes on the horizon, these aerial views capture a moment in time where Disneyland Paris stands between what it has been and what it is about to become. From above, the land now tells its story with clarity. The excavation phase appears complete, revealing the full scale and footprint of this ambitious project for the first time. On the left-hand side, facing the lake, the layout clearly traces the path of the main flume drop. This dramatic section will feature Pride Rock itself, combined with an outdoor sequence that promises strong visual movement and kinetic energy throughout the land. To the right, the second portion of the main show building takes shape. This structure will also welcome guests at the end of the journey, housing the attraction's exit retail space. Nearby, a quick service kiosk and guest restrooms are planned as separate, standalone buildings, carefully positioned within the environment. The project has now entered an advanced structural phase. Foundation piles are currently being installed, marking a critical step in construction. These piles are engineered to transfer immense structural loads deep into stable soil layers below. They will support the attraction's heavy infrastructure, water basins, and the towering artificial rockwork that will define the landscape. This moment confirms a major transition. Earthworks are complete, and core structural construction is now officially underway. In these aerial views taken last night, a notable change becomes visible backstage. The Regal View test facade, along with the rockwork test elements created for the world of Frozen, has now been removed from the cleared zone. These test areas are a crucial part of the creative process at Walt Disney Imagineering. They are used to validate final materials, confirm colors and textures, and refine weathering techniques under real-world conditions. They also allow Imagineers to evaluate scale, proportions, and overall visual impact, ensuring that each element feels authentic and immersive before construction moves forward. Once approved, these tests help finalize construction methods, paving the way for full-scale implementation on site. The clearing of this zone strongly suggests that design validation is now complete. It may also signal what comes next, with the possibility that samples from the future Lion King land and the Up attraction building could soon make their appearance. From above, the latest aerial views of Disney Adventure World reveal the park's expansion moving steadily toward its grand opening on March 29th. The Future Up attraction, a charming swing carousel, shows signs of advanced groundwork and early structural development as construction progresses across the site. At the Regal View Restaurant and Lounge, temporary scaffolding and protective tarps now cover the lake-facing facades. These details point to finishing works and adjustments being made before the final handover. Looking at the expansion as a whole, the core infrastructure is now in place. However, vegetation and planting remain partially incomplete across several areas of the land, leaving room for the finishing touches. More landscaping work is expected in the coming weeks as Disneyland Paris prepares the park to welcome guests in just a few weeks' time. Thanks for watching, everyone. We hope you enjoyed this latest Disneyland Paris update. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment to share your thoughts. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our news and behind-the-scenes adventures. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for more Disney magic.